FlexOffers Partner Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the FlexOffers Partner Program. If you're looking for a well-established affiliate network with a vast selection of advertisers, check the links in the description below. FlexOffers is a leading affiliate marketing platform that connects publishers with over 12,000 advertisers across various industries, including e-commerce, finance, tech, and travel. It's a solid option for both beginners and experienced marketers looking to maximize their affiliate revenue. One of FlexOffers' key advantages is its easy-to-use dashboard, which provides real-time tracking of clicks, conversions, and earnings. The interface is clean, and finding high-converting offers is simple. Another great feature is auto-approval for many affiliate programs, allowing you to start promoting immediately without waiting for advertiser approval. However, some premium brands still require manual approval. FlexOffers offers competitive commission rates, and many advertisers provide performance-based incentives. The platform supports various payout methods, including direct deposit, PayPal, and checks with a low payment threshold of $25. Payments are processed on a net 30 basis, meaning you get paid 30 days after the end of the month. But FlexOffers also has a preferred payment program, which allows high-performing affiliates to receive faster payouts. One unique aspect of FlexOffers is its content monetization tools, including data feeds, APIs, and deep linking capabilities. This makes it easier for bloggers, influencers, and website owners to integrate affiliate links seamlessly into their content. Additionally, the referral program lets you earn extra commissions by inviting other affiliates to join the platform. The only downside is that some advertisers offer lower commission rates compared to networks like CJ Affiliate or Impact, and customer support response times can sometimes be slow. However, with its wide range of advertisers, flexible payment options, and beginner-friendly tools, FlexOffers remains a strong choice for affiliate marketers. If you're serious about growing your affiliate income, sign up today using the links in the description and start earning with FlexOffers.